So I'm live today with Meenakshi Jaiswal. She is principal of Army Public School, and we will be talking about the online education, also about the news of school reopening. So what all are the protocols to be taken care, and how are schools preparing themselves to begin with the offline classes. I have invited Meenakshi ma'am. She will be live with us in some time, and thank you, everyone, especially the students of Army Public Schools. I can see a lot of messages and a lot of comments also. It says Vinakshi ma'am is unable to join. All right. So I'm inviting her again. Thank you so much, everyone, especially the students of Army Public School.
Hi,
Yeah.
now I think I can see you.
Yes,
You can
yes,
also
it's
see.
clear, ma'am. Okay.
So I think
So,
without last time we almost missed out.
या मैम
So
फिर कुछ टेक्निकल इशू था जिसकी वजह से था ठीक है
कोई बात नहीं है. So good afternoon to everyone. The first question asked by Prerna was what qualitative changes have come. So I would like to mention that because of Corona or COVID, we can say that our children have upgraded their skills a lot. It's like I would say in their technical grids, technical skills have upgraded manifold. They have become very smart. Not only the students, even parents, teachers, everybody they have upgraded their skills. Another important thing which I find because of COVID and this lockdown
Yeah.
is the habit of self-study. Because
Yeah.
self-study is something which the children have to do. Now there's no teacher sitting on their head all the time कि तुम ये करो तभी करना है. So if the child is doing his self-study himself, he is doing well. And he's learning. So learning is now happening at learner's pace. When he wants to study, he studies. He has the material available with him, whether it is recorded version or it is a YouTube or it is a PDF. Everything is available with him. So if you look at it, qualitative change has occurred a lot for children who are interested in studies. For them, it's a boon. Like they've got something to explore everything. Another important thing which I found is since that they don't have the teachers all the time readily available with them. So like earlier they had it in the classroom. So they go beyond the classrooms, like they try to find out more things from the internet or they ask their friends. So like it is like they are moving out from the geographical boundaries and exploring the world outside, which is a good thing. They must do it because eventually they all have to do it. So they are self-motivated. If you ask me, these are all the positives. Okay.
बिल्कुल.
So, but there are some negatives also. So, which parents are very concerned and often they keep telling us, हमारे बच्चे का screen time बहुत हो गया है, which is understandable. Screen time हो गया है ज़्यादा. But this is again something like if you are, it is an opportunity which you have got. Now the discipline has to be set by you. It is there. Now the power is there. How much you want to use, that you have to decide. So both students and parents, I request you that set a sense of discipline in yourself. How much screen time I should do, because nobody can tell you that. Nobody can tell you that. Now, second thing, what I find is a negative thing which has emerged from all this for the last 1.5 years is deterioration in writing skills. We have stopped writing. Everything we are typing. So that speed has gone. So which we found last year when we took a half-yearly examination and then subsequently the annual pre-board we took. Students were not finding it difficult to sit for 3 hours and write. So that is another major change which has taken place, which we have to look after, both from the student side, from the parent side, from the teacher side. We have to develop these writing skills back like it was pre-pandemic. And of course, if a student is not interested in studies, तो फिर वो उसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, फिर उसको तो फिर वही पुराने रास्ते पे लाना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, this particular pandemic has been a boon for those people who are self-motivated, who are self-disciplined. It's been wonderful.
Right.
So that is
मैम
my view
अगर
about
हम
it.
पैंडेमिक की बात करें एंड वंस द पैंडेमिक इज ओवर, तो आपका क्या मैसेज है, स्पेशली जो बच्चे ने इस साल 12th किया है, उनके लिए किस तरीके के करियर ऑप्शंस रहेंगे आगे?
A very good question you have asked. All along last year, I kept thinking, what is going to be the future of these children who are in class 12? Well, if you ask me, these children are, I mean, we can call this particular batch as a unique batch. Because for them, they were thrown in the ocean and they have to learn to swim. So they have to work on their adaptability skills. They have to work on their adversity quotient, because everything has been adverse. You have to adopt new changes. So, but I'm confident these children are millennials. They will buckle up. They will take up the challenge. Yes, for them, they will not get everything on a platter. They will have to work for it, and they will have to earn it, and they will have to have sustenance also for it. So it's going to be difficult, but it's not impossible. But I'm confident these children will do it, because 12 years of schooling has gone in. Just 1 year of schooling nahi hua hai, so they will not fall down. They will definitely stand up. But it'll be tough. It's okay, fine. That's it.
मैम आपका मैसेज इन सारी बच्चों के लिए जिनका लास्ट ईयर और इस साल जिन बच्चों ने अपना पास आउट किया है?
See, sky is the limit. Go ahead. Challenges are going to come. They are never going to stop. Today, let us say COVID goes away. Something else will come up. Few years back, we had the financial crisis. The whole world was in a gloom. Didn't we come up? So these kind of challenges will keep coming. Students, don't give up. Your skills have been there with you. You have to embrace them. You have to find solutions. You have to take on and be positive. Yeah, always the solutions will not be the way you and I want. It will have to be as per the situation. So we'll have to modify our desires. We may have to modify our aspirations, but never give up. My only message to you all children is never give up, because situation is never going to remain the same. The only thing which is going to remain same is change. Yeah. Change is constant. So adopt it. That's it.
मैम स्कूल रीओपन का न्यूज़ है, तो मैं जानना चाहूंगी जितने भी व्यूअर्स हमें अभी देख रहे हैं कि क्या प्रोटोकॉल्स का हम ध्यान रख रहे हैं और कौन कौन सी क्लासेस को बुलाने जा रहे हैं, और मतलब आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, इनफैक्ट वेव 3 की बात करें तो उसमें बोलते हैं कि बच्चों के लिए काफी ज्यादा इट विल नॉट बी गुड फॉर स्टूडेंट्स अंडर एज. So आपका मैसेज इस पे, व्हाट आर योर व्यू पॉइंट्स?
Coming to opening of schools, see, it's been a long time when children have been at home. So my first thing is, learning does not happen just online or offline. A learning happens also with interaction with peers. It's a social skill. Interaction is required. So the government has now given us orders to open schools following safety protocols as per MHA. All schools are following. We are also following social distancing, mask, temperature, taking the temperature, keeping minimum students in each class, and also to ensure that they're moving in and out, there are no crowds. So we are following all that till the last word. So far as safety is concerned, school is providing everything. Fine. Now, we have already started classes for classes 9, 10, 11, and 12. We are already conducting the classes. Children are coming. Around 60% students have reported in offline mode. And we are running classes in double shift. I've just come back from one of the classes where the class 11 teacher was teaching them about, atomic structure and all. And I found the children very interested. They were listening very carefully, and blended version was also going on. So if the fear of students going back to school, and again, there is a fear among everybody, not only students, among even elders, that there could be a third wave. But the question is, up to how long are we going to wait? We have to modify the way we live. even if it is a small student, small child of class 1. Now, aren't students of 9, 10, 11, 12 coming to school? Aren't they coming? They are coming with all the protocols. They are also going back. So similarly for other classes also, the children have to adopt. They have to come out and learn. These are all survival tricks. अगर survive करना है तो बाहर आना पड़ेगा. कब तक घर में बैठे रहेंगे? और अगर पढ़ना है, पढ़ाना है, तब भी बाहर आना पड़ेगा. तो the fear is there. I do not disagree. The fear of third wave is also there, but at the same time, vaccination bhi ho raha hai, everything, all other protocols are being followed. So if we are all very careful in our own domains, then I think together we can all battle it out. It's not impossible. After all, I'll just give you my example. When the entire country was in a severe lockdown, बिल्कुल नहीं निकलना है, कर्फ्यू लगी है, लॉकडाउन लगी है, तब भी हमें आना पड़ता था with all safety protocols to do some very very basic necessities जो स्कूल के लिए जरूरत था. हम आते थे, तब भी आते थे, अभी भी आ रहे हैं. The bottom line is you maintain your precautions, rest will be taken care of. आप खुद alert रहिए, आप खुद protocols के साथ do not compromise. बाकी अपने आप होता रहे. So, अगर हम वेट करेंगे कि पूरी दुनिया पहले जैसी हो जाए, वो तो शायद मुश्किल है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
not possible. The whole world is waiting for that. तो हम कब तक वेट करें? So, गवर्नमेंट का ऑर्डर तो आ ही गया है. 23rd से हमें 6 to 8 खोलना है, कल रात में आया है, and 1 to 5 का 1 सितंबर से. So, स्कूल तो हमने तैयार कर दिया आपके लिए बच्चों, एंड हम आज आपके पास कंसेंट फॉर्म्स भेज रहे हैं. आप लोग भरिए और आइए. वी आर रेडी फॉर यू.
आई थिंक ये बात बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है मैम कि सबको बहुत ज्यादा प्रोटोकॉल्स का ध्यान रखना है. I mean, we just can't stay at home and you know
everyone follow your own. जब हर आदमी अपना काम करेगा तो फिर किसके ऊपर उंगली उठाएंगे कि वो नहीं कर रहा है? सब कर रहे हैं, तो बस तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गई ना. उसमें प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं बची.
बिल्कुल. मीनाक्षी मैम, मैं यहाँ चाहूंगी कि टीचर्स का बहुत से प्रिंसिपल से बात करी है मैंने कि इस दौरान टीचर्स को बहुत सी नई चीजें सीखनी पड़ी और उन्हें इम्पार्ट करना पड़ा स्टूडेंट्स. So here I would like to share with all of us the journey of teachers during this pandemic, especially अभी भी.
A very nice question, प्रेरणा. अक्सर people say स्कूल जो है मस्ती कर रहा है, पैंडेमिक में पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है. I want to tell everybody, स्कूल ने जितना ऑफलाइन में काम करते थे ना, उससे ज्यादा काम हम लोग ऑनलाइन में करते हैं. कैसे, मैं आपको बताती हूँ. जैसे 23 मार्च 2020 को स्कूल लॉकडाउन हुआ था, हमारा फर्स्ट कंसर्न था कि हम कैसे बच्चों को छोड़ देंगे. नाउ we started off व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से हमने स्टार्ट किया. हमने कहा ठीक है, जो भी अवेलेबल है, जिसके पास जो है स्टार्ट करिए. टीचर्स को हम लोगों ने ओवरनाइट वी टाइड अप विद गूगल इंडिया एंड महातत्व. वी टाइड अप विद देम एंड हमने इनको शाम के टाइम करीब 10 दिन में ये लोग अपने क्लासेस लेती थी. इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल हमने उनकी ट्रेनिंग कराई. हाउ टू कंडक्ट क्लासेस ऑनलाइन इन गूगल क्लासरूम यूजिंग वेरियस डिवाइसेस. मोबाइल से कैसे करेंगे, एंड्रॉयड हो तो कैसे करेंगे, एप्पल है तो कैसे करेंगे, अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप है तो कैसे. ऑल थिंग्स वे एक्सप्लेन टू देम. एंड माइंड यू, द टीचर्स वर्क ओवरनाइट एंड चिल्ड्रन नो वी हैव गूगल क्लासरूम्स हमारे हैं. हम स्कूल वेंट अप टू द एक्सटेंट कि वी वेंट एंड टुक अ सेपरेट that G Suite account for Google. We took that for the school, and all our students are now joining our classes with a special G Suite ID. All that we have done. So that is first thing, how to conduct classes. Now the second challenge which came was, how do we take assessments? So you will be happy to know our teachers have undergone a training with NABET. It's a Government of India organization and it is a quality control institute. We have undergone, I've put all my teachers through this training. Now it is basically to teach them how to do assessments online. Not only formative, also summative. and each of them can be recorded. We will have evidence of it. Fine. So teachers have been upgraded both for conducting classes also and for assessments also. So if we call the health workers as COVID warriors, I would like the masses to call the teachers also COVID warriors, because they have really, really worked very hard. If we can't pay compliments to them, then it is something which we should look back. They have really worked hard and they're still doing it. It's not that they're not doing, they're still doing it. So that is something we have been continuously upgrading. Continuously we've been giving them whatever they wanted. CBSE is giving, other agencies are giving. We as a school have stepped forward to see what we are getting from outside. We are doing that. So the aim is, that the students should not miss out anything. That is our aim. And teachers should also not feel hard pressed. So whatever we can in our school may we have set up 32 classrooms to give online and offline education. So that is going on just now. Abhi chal raha hai. And the entire school has been given Wi-Fi connectivity so that teachers can come and conduct the classes from the classrooms. So these are the facilities we are giving them so that they are empowered, they are enabled, and they do some good service for us. So this is our take home.
Right. I think मतलब बहुत ही कम टाइम में इनफैक्ट 2-3 मिनट में आपने बताया कि कितना स्ट्रगल था टीचर्स के लिए भी एंड जनरली सिटिंग ऑन द अदर साइड वी वर नॉट एबल टू नो दैट ये 2 साल सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए ही नहीं, स्कूल मैनेजमेंट के लिए, टीचर्स के लिए, सबके लिए भी बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल थे.
Indeed it is. The other side of the story nobody listens to. किसी को पता नहीं चलता है क्योंकि एक्चुअली इन सब चीज़ों को इनकी बात नहीं होती है. इट्स नॉट दैट हम चाहते हैं कि आप बात करें, बट हम वो भी चाहते हैं कि जो पेरेंट्स यहाँ आके कंप्लेन करते हैं ऑनलाइन में क्या पढ़ाई हो रही है, क्या पढ़ाई हो रही है. तो मैं पूछती हूँ अगर पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है तो फिर आप लोग क्यों एडमिशन के लिए जिद करते हैं? तो फिर ना करें जिद. पढ़ाई हो रही है तभी तो आप चाह रहे हैं ना कि बच्चे को हमारा क्लास अटेंड करे. So that is what I want to say. Don't negate anything which the school is giving you. We're giving you the best that we can and we care for you. The most important thing is we care for you. We are concerned. Okay.
Right. Also, very important thing you have mentioned, Meenakshi ma'am, that this is not the time of complaining. We all are in this together, and we should stand for each other and understand that कि क्या gaps आ रहे हैं. मतलब मेरा message especially बच्चों और parents के लिए कि you can go to the principal and talk.
If you have a problem, come across, and we have been resolving. It's not that we have not. बहुत से आते हैं मेरे पास ये है नहीं है, तुम क्या ठीक है इसको ऐसे कर लीजिए, whatever solution we can give, but just sitting at home and just being grumpy is not the answer. आप आए, हम तो बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, we are solving problems. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं करें, and we are there to help you. Our aim is that, and we'll always be there for that.
Meenakshi ma'am, thank you so much. Before I conclude the conversation, आपका मैसेज सभी के लिए, चाहे टीचर्स या और स्कूलों के बच्चे, APS के बच्चे and parents also.
मेरा एक ही मैसेज है, समस्याएं आती रहेंगी, सब मिल जाओ, टेक अ पॉजिटिव थॉट एंड मूव अहेड. बैठे मत रहो, जो भी साधन है उसके साथ आगे बढ़ो. बैठे रहने से कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा. हमें करना है तो करना है. अब हमारे पास कल रात में मैसेज आया कि मंडे से स्कूल खोलना है. ऐसे विल ओपन, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, खोलेंगे हम. So my message to parents, students, teachers, whosoever is watching, please join up as a team, be positive, find solution to your problems with whatever resources you have, because the perfect time will never come and the ideal resources will never be available. So we have to make do with whatever we have. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And thank you everyone for watching us live and listening to our
conversation. Thank you everybody, those who are watching and those who have, you may have many views, so you can collect those views and then we can answer if there is any question also. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you.